J-Rod Reviews in the building, man. Y'all check out these new reverse cameras. Check out these new reverse cameras, man. I installed them for the awesome price of $39.99. Very high definition screens. Check this out. Y'all check this out, man. Y'all check this out. New reverse cameras. All right. So check it out. How you like your new reverse camera?
It's okay. Morning.
Good morning. So check this out. Fits right into your dashboard. Y'all see that, right? Very nice. Yeah, fits right in there, little stop, right? We come around here, y'all check this out, man. This how we do these new reverse cameras, man. No. For the awesome price of $99.99, installed by your boy, Mr. J-Rod himself. You ain't gotta worry about nobody hitting your stuff. I'm gonna get inside, hold on. Check out this this HD camera real quick. Uh-oh, you know she got all the stuff up in here. Look at this HD camera, man. Look at that view. Look at that back there.
It's the best one I've had yet.
Go ahead and back up. And we install them, you know, a little inverted a little bit so you can see. Look at that camera. Look at that camera. Beep, 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 beep. And it beep. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, stop.
Oh.
Okay.
So how you like?
How you like your camera?
It's good. I get a real life person in my car.
J-Rod Review, boy, we out here hustling. We are grinding. You hear me? So I installed these myself. You know.
Dang.
All right. I'll have the information down in the description, how much they cost. You know, all you need is an old phone. Hold on, y'all check this out one more time. Reverse cameras by J-Rod Reviews. Yes, sir. They ain't got no warranty now. If it fall off, that's on you. But this how we do. HD camera, baby. Y'all please like, share, comment, and subscribe on this new video. Thank you, Liv. Boom. Live, laugh, love, y'all. Subscribe to her channel. What's your channel?
It's called #LoveandLive.
On YouTube. You know, we do YouTube around here. Look at that HD camera, man. And it's wide angle. Brought to you by your boy, #J-Rod Reviews on YouTube. One more time, I'll let y'all look at it again. Bam. HD, baby. Brought to you by me.com.